Hello friends, so check out these videos and its editing. What you see is relight, recover and restyles. These are the editing part, but the difference is I did everything using an AI tool within minutes. So this kind of things you can do easily now using an awesome Higgsfield Kling O1 model. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this tool and make this kind of edits in a fraction of time. So let's get started. Let's start by visiting Tool's official website. The link is available in the description below. So in today's video, we are going to use Higgsfield Kling O1. So let's see how to use Higgsfield Kling O1 feature. Higgsfield Kling O1 is the world's first unified multi-modal video model where you can generate and edit videos in one place without using any heavy software. Here you can see how Kling O1 works for different kind of video generation tasks. Using Kling O1, you can perform relight and atmosphere, reframe and composition, precise object swap, extend and keyframing. And also you can do the recolor and restyle operations. Everything is clearly shown here with examples. So in this tool, you can also get access to precision control tools where you can enter start and end frames, apply mimic camera movements and control in video pacing. So without waiting, let's go and try and see how Higgsfield Kling O1 works, and let's see the results it generates. So first go to the again official Higgsfield website. The link you can find in the description. On the home page, click the sign up button on the right side. Then log in using your Google account. After logging in, to use the Kling O1 feature, go to the video menu on the left side. There you will find various features and models. Under models, click on Kling O1 edit. As soon as you click, the editing video dashboard will open. On the left side, you will see your selected edit model. If you want to know how it works, click on How It Works box. The right side will show a video with example prompts. On the left, you will find two boxes. Upload a video to edit and upload an image or elements. I will upload one of my old video in the first box. And one important thing, you cannot upload a video longer than 10 seconds. So adjust your existing video to 10 seconds and save it, and then you can upload it. You can also upload an image, but that's an optional option. After that, enter your prompt in the given prompt box. I have already written mine, so I'm just going to paste it here. So I have created a prompt document for Higgsfield Kling O1 video generation. So I have created a golden rules prompt for Kling O1. So if you need that doc, just comment down Kling O1 in the comment box, as well as send me an email on this email ID with the same subject line. I'll send you over through the email. After entering the prompt, keep auto setting turned on since it's automatically adjusts the best settings. Below that, you can see our models, Kling O1 video edit, which I have already selected. After completing all these steps, click on generate. And in few minutes, Higgsfield will change the background and atmosphere of our video. And here is the final result. Hello friends, I know a product packaging designer's job is hard. Looks amazing, right?
Yes.
Just like we replaced my video with the neon light background without adding any other lights, we'll try the same things on the different examples, and this time we'll use the car video and we'll try to change the background and atmosphere. So let's see how the results turn out. So again, open the Higgsfield, then click on video features and select the Kling O1 model. Now follow the same step as before. In this box, upload your video, and this time I'm going to use the car video. Again, you have to make sure you cannot upload more than a 10 seconds video. So if you have a longer videos, edit it and create a 10 seconds video. If you want to upload an image or elements in the next box, you can, or you can just keep it. After that, enter your prompt in the box. I have already written my prompt, so I'm just going to paste it here. Then turn off auto settings and try. You can see time duration here. You can create up to a 10-second video, then select aspect ratio according to your need. After that, check our Kling O1 video edit model, which is selected. Once everything is set, click on generate, and in few minutes our video will be ready. Let's see the final result. And as usual, right, what we are looking for, we received in our final output. So you can also create videos by adding multiple reference images, change themes using character references, apply different style changes, and even clean up or remove subject from a video. So this was Higgsfield AI's latest model Kling O1 features. So another great thing about Higgsfield currently is it's providing up to 70% off on annual plan. And if you look at the pricing, they are the lowest among all the models provided. So here on the screen, you can see a comparison between Higgsfield and similar tools like OpenArt. So now my channels offer in multiple languages. So if you don't like to watch in English, just go to the YouTube settings, click on audio track and select the language you like to watch my video in. So I hope you found this video useful. If you found something new in this video and learned something new about a latest model, then please hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your editors friends, and see you in the next one.